Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. So today we are going to discuss PF52 part 2. That is the same thing we discussed in part 1. That is we talked about OAuth JWKS key. In this session we'll talk about OpenID Connect JWKS key used for the validation of the token, right? So yeah, let's begin and we'll talk. So quickly let's discuss on OpenID Connect JWKS key. So in the previous session we discussed about OAuth JWKS key. So we just seen that how you can just use that OAuth JWKS URL to get the public key from the authorization server, and then you can use that for the token validation. So in similar way for the OpenID Connect also, what you need to use, just the flow will be same, but what will change, I'll just show you the address. So just take the base URL of Ping Federate. Okay, and then so in the case of OAuth we are just putting ext OAuth JWKS as a default, and then we have like as a custom also we can define the access token manager name. So similar to in the OpenID Connect, just define the base URL, then just give /pf/jwks. Okay, so this will just give you the public key address, so you can use to get the, so you can use this JWKS endpoint to get the public key from the authorization server for the OpenID Connect, not for the OAuth. Okay, so yeah, these are the two. The flow will be just same, but yeah, you have the two different endpoints. One is this is for the OpenID Connect, and the previously we have seen it's for OAuth. And yeah, in the OAuth you can just apply just especially for that token manager also. Okay, so this is just the same thing, like not much difference. So yeah, so now let's jump to the next session where we'll talk about the token revocation, how you can revoke the access token if you want, right? So yeah, let's jump to that session, and yeah, if you have anything please put in the comment section. Okay, yeah, thank you.